What's up everybody, it's that guy Skimpy, and today we're going to be pouring the Swimbait head jig mold from Do It Molds. This is actually one of their newer molds. I've been waiting to get my hands on this and I finally did, so I'm pretty excited. So besides the hook, you're also going to need wire keepers. The part number is WDB1000 and it comes in a 100 pack. So here's the mold. So there's 5 different sizes. There's a quarter, a 3/8, a half, a 5/8, and a 3/4. All right, so let's take a look at it with the hooks. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the hook and the wire keepers.
So I went with the BMC, I believe it's called a Barbarian hook, and these 4 are all 4/0. And the big 3/4 is actually a 5/0. The mold actually calls for a 4/0, a 5/0, a 5/0, a 6/0, and a 6/0. But with these type of hooks, the only size that fits the 5/0 hook is the 3/4. So I went with 4/0 on all the sizes except the big one. We went with 5/0. So let's smoke this mold and get to pouring.
Okay, so I have the mold loaded here. I'm gonna ladle it right in. And here they are. Came out pretty nice. Okay, so there it is. Kind of filed it down a little bit to make it a little cleaner. I put a ripper on there. This thing is awesome. Alright guys, there you have it. The Swimbait head goes perfect with the ripper. I can't wait to fish this. You know, there's eyes here that you can put on and then you know, paint it and stuff, but you've seen that in my other videos, so I figured, you know, I didn't need to do that. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And shout out to Do It Molds, shout out to Trigger Happy Comfort Grips, shout out to C2 Cashware, shout out to Living Rubber. Alright guys, that guy Skimpy, please subscribe.